Hi everyone! Did you know that putting up a Christmas tree can be fun and hard at the same time? There are many easy ways to make your tree look beautiful, like picking out the right ornaments and placing the lights in the right way. Your Christmas tree can become a holiday masterpiece that amazes your family and friends with just a few smart tricks. These tips will not only help you save time, but they will also make your holiday decorations look better. In this video, we will explore the best Christmas tree hacks to make your tree stand out this season. Use a tree collar instead of a skirt. Instead of a tree skirt, use a tree collar for a cleaner, more modern look. Tree collars are easy to put around the base of the tree. They hide the stand and keep it safe from kids and pets who might pull on the skirts. You can match them to your decor because they come in many styles, such as handmade baskets and metal collars. Tree collars are also useful because they don't need to be adjusted all the time and give your tree a finished look. With this hack, you can escape the mess and trouble of having to fold and straighten a skirt more than once. Pre-lit tree for quick setup. Pre-lit Christmas tree can save you time because you won't have to fight with string lights to get them in the right place. It already has properly spaced lights on it, so all you have to do is plug it in to make a beautiful tree. You can get pre-lit trees with warm white, cool white, or multicolor lights, so you can choose one that goes with your theme. This hack is great if you don't have time to string lights or don't like doing it. It makes setting up the tree easier and makes sure that the light shines evenly, which makes decorating much faster and less stressful. Hang ornaments in layers. Putting ornaments on your tree in stages gives it more depth and dimension. First, hang the bigger ornaments close to the trunk to fill in the spaces inside. Then, hang the medium-sized ones in the middle branches. Smaller ornaments should be placed on the tips of the branches to finish off the look. This method of layering makes the arrangement look fuller and more professionally decorated. It also helps the viewer focus on the decorations instead of the empty areas. By moving and changing the shapes of the ornaments, you can give your Christmas tree a more interesting look. Use ribbon for a stylish touch. If you want a more elegant look, decorate your tree with ribbon instead of flowers. Pick a ribbon that goes with your color scheme and either let it fall from the top or weave it in and out of the branches. Keep the ribbon in place and add depth by tying it inside the branches. Ribbons come in many styles like silver, velvet, and wired, so you can use them to make different effects. This hack makes your tree look classy and is an easy way to make your holiday decorations look better without putting in much work. Group ornaments. By color, sort trinkets by color or theme to make the tree look nice and put together. Choose 2 or 3 colors that go well together, like gold and red or silver and blue. This will keep the look balanced. For a well-coordinated look, group pieces of the same color together or spread them out evenly. This hack makes everything look better and can make your tree look like it was dressed by a pro. Using a limited color range also keeps your tree from looking cluttered, which makes it easier to keep a refined look all through the holiday season. Add scented pine cones for a festive aroma. Putting scented pine cones on your tree makes your home smell warm and festive. You can buy pine cones that are already scented, or you can add a few drops of essential oils, like cinnamon or pine, to empty pine cones to make your own. Spread them out among the branches to make the smell spread out evenly and make the room feel warm and welcoming. Not only does this hack make your tree look and smell better, but it also makes the experience of being around it better. It's a simple and clean way to make your home smell like Christmas. Use battery-operated lights for a cordless look. Choose lights that run on batteries for a cleaner and more flexible lighting setting. With these lights, you don't need extension lines, so your tree looks neater. They're also great for putting lights in places that are hard to get to, or for adding extra sparkle in places that don't have outlets. Battery-powered lights come in many shapes and colors, so it's easy to find ones that go with the theme of your tree. They're easy to set up and usually come with timers, so you don't have to remember to turn them on and off every day. Add reflective ornaments to enhance lighting. Metallic or reflective balls and other ornaments that reflect light are a great way to make your tree look better at night. If you put these trinkets near the lights, they will reflect and boost the light, making the room look brighter and more festive. Without adding more lights, this hack gives the tree more sparkle and makes it look larger. Also, reflective trinkets look great with other decorations because they give the whole thing more depth and dimension. You can make your tree shine and feel warm and wonderful by using ornaments that reflect light. Create a tree topper with a personal touch. Make your tree topper special by adding something that is only for your family instead of a star or angel. This could be a bow that was made by hand, a family heirloom that is treasured, or a creative decoration that has special meaning to the person who owns it. Making the topper your own gives your tree a unique look and makes it feel more important. This hack is great for giving your tree some personality, and you could make a new topper for your tree every year as a custom. A unique topper for your tree that is special to you and your family makes it stand out. Hide the tree stand with wrapping paper boxes. Wrapped boxes can be put around the base of the ugly tree stand to hide it. Put together empty boxes that look like gifts by wrapping them in holiday paper. This not only hides the stand, but it also makes the tree look bigger and more holiday-like before the real gifts are put under it. Different types of paper can be used to match your theme and make the base look nice. This hack keeps the base of the tree neat and gives it a finished, holiday-ready look that looks good. Conclusion: putting up a Christmas tree can be a fun yet challenging experience, but with these clever hacks, transforming your tree into a festive masterpiece is easy and enjoyable. From using a tree collar for a polished look to grouping ornaments by color for a cohesive appearance, these simple tricks will make decorating smoother and more stylish. Whether it's adding battery-operated lights for a cordless setup or enhancing your tree's glow with reflective ornaments, these tips can save you time and elevate your holiday decor. So, give these hacks a try to make your Christmas tree stand out this season. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and comment to stay updated with more festive tips and tricks.